Hi, my name is Sammy Joe, and today we are hitting upper body for once. So the first exercise is rows. I haven't done these in a while. So we're starting with the 15 pounds and going for high reps. So 15 to 20 reps, we'll see. Let's see. Of course, I didn't bring anything to tie my hair up. Okay. So yeah, brace your core, kind of let your shoulder drop with the weight, and then just kind of like let everything pull back up. Everything is cracking. Okay, we're doing the right arm now, which is my favorite because this is the side that everything activates properly without me having to think about it. But yeah, the trick for this, to make it like an actual back workout and not just an arm workout, is when you're like in this dropped position, let your scapula, your shoulder blade, get pulled by the weight, so that way that gets like a full elongated movement, and then feel it all drive back up. And that just gets your like whole back involved. I didn't know what these were called, so I would just like treat it like a lawnmower thing. Like I called them lawnmower cranks. So yeah. But that's kind of the motion, is that you're trying to start a lawnmower. I have no idea how many that was. Okay, my next exercise is but I'm thinking about just trying to stand evenly on my feet. And my left arm, I can't quite activate it the same way. What's new? And I think it has to do with like my shoulder and my elbow. So I just try to think about like this elbow not moving too much. And for whatever reason, that cue like really helps me feel the left side a little better. Okay, so the next exercise, I'm doing shoulder raises. I work on these mostly, like I try to kind of like pull my shoulder back instead of doing more like of a front raise, because I'm trying to like stabilize my hypermobile joints. So I'm trying to like teach my shoulder to kind of hold itself back. And then I'm hoping that having a little bit more muscle to stabilize my shoulders would like just make it easier to hold a better posture. So that's really the goal with these. So it'd be cool to get like a more toned looking shoulder, but there's more of like a utility goal with these. So, and I honestly just do these until I can't. I don't have like a set number. Watching people take the trash out of the window. Sitting in a different position so I can actually see what I'm doing. Yeah. So those 3 exercises I'm doing in a circuit, I'm gonna do 4 rounds and about a minute rest in between each set. I lift light because I wanna do it well. And this is like I feel like I say this a lot, so I'm so sorry if it's like a broken record, but I'm just so like picky about how it feels. I tend to take a Pilates approach to lifting, and when I try to push and do a heavier weight, like yes, I'm capable of it, but I can feel that the pressure in my body and in my core, it's all just like being mismanaged. And I think that's something that you could forego if you're really trying to like bulk up. But since I'm not, I would rather build a symmetrical shape that moves well. So I don't prioritize like lifting heavy, especially not with upper body. So until the day that these lower weights are like painfully boring, where it's like, okay, I have no choice but to move up the weight, then I will. But at the moment, I don't hit upper body enough to feel that way. So every workout is kind of like a new mountain, and definitely like kind of checking in with my body, seeing how everything's kind of syncing up. And I do feel like progress is being made, and hopefully in the future I can lift like a normal person. This is where I'm at, because I would say I am kind of in a physical therapy space. So thanks for watching. That was my at-home upper body. Make sure to like and subscribe for the next one. Thanks.